Welcome to the Windows Movie Maker video tutorial. This tutorial is going to cover the Windows Vista version of Movie Maker. Okay. Now, basic overlay of the Windows Movie Maker screen. On the left side, you've got the taskbar. It has tasks such as importing, editing, publishing, things that you'll have to do eventually. This middle area right here, right now it's blank, is called the imported media section. It's where all the media that you'll be using in your program can be found, both audio, video, and pictures. This area on the right is where you actually watch the media before you do anything to it, and you can view pictures, you can watch the resource videos, the imported media, or you can watch your progress on the video that you're making at the moment. The top has got all the normal selections you can make, and quick links to get to places and such. Over here is what's called your timeline or storyboard. Windows Vista and XP in general will start your Movie Maker out looking like this for the first time you open it. That's not what you want. It makes it harder to edit a program, and you can't basically see anything correctly. So you click on this down arrow, and you click Timeline. It opens it up so you can see more choices and edit things more precisely. That's the overlay of the screen. Now you want to start making a video, but you need to somehow get to your videos. You can access them from the taskbar and click on Videos, which will open up a browser window, and you can double click a video to access it. It'll start importing it, and it'll show up in your imported media section. Or, the way I do it, you'd open up your folder wherever you saved it, you'd go to the video you want, click and hold, drag it to the area, and let go. It'll automatically import it for you. You do the same thing with music, and just drag it into the area. Video will have this sort of outline around it to make it look like a video, and music will say MP3 or whatever the file format is with a music note. It's pretty easy to tell. Now, if you were to just put this entire video into your program, it wouldn't be that good. You have to edit it and change it. So the way you clip videos and split them down to size is you would select it here, you'd hit play. It would start to play in this window over here. You'd have the slider here, so you can choose where you're going up to, and it'd have the title of the video at the top. Now, you first navigate to the location where you want to start your video. Wait a second, so it's right where I want it to, as the guy comes over, and I would press pause. It'll freeze the image, the slider will stop moving, and this button will change back to a play button. What you want to do here is click the split button down at the bottom right of the video viewing area. It'll split your one main video into two. The main one will feature everything from the beginning to the point just before I split it. The second video is from where I split it on, but that still goes for 1:20, and I really don't want all that. So what I do is the same thing. I wait until it's after where I want it. I'd pause again and click split. Makes a third video, splits the second one into two, and here it is. We got Gears 1, and Gears 2. But that's sort of confusing because I really don't know what I want, which one I want to if I ever need to look at it. So right now I know Gears 1 is the one that I want to use. It's 8 seconds long, and it's just the scene of a guy getting chainsawed, basically. So I would pause that, don't really need to. Right click on the icon for the video, and go to rename. Here I would type in whatever name I want, chainsaw, for example, and hit enter, or just click anywhere else. Now, to add the video to your timeline is simple. You just drag it onto the video area. It'll add itself, look like something like that, and you can see where it stops, how long it is in comparison to other things. So if I play this video now, it's pretty bland. All it does is have the one thing I added. So you want to add music. Music you add and clip the same way. So I'd go, say I want music to stop here, pause it, split it, and drag the audio clip into the audio section. So that now, this would start playing. And the music would start playing in the background. The problem here is, the sound from the video plays through to the actual final thing and covers up the music. And I don't want that. So in order to mute the audio of the video, you can click on video over here, click expand video track, it's the little plus sign, and in the audio section of the video area, you'd right click on it and click on mute. Now the only audio that'll show up is the audio from the music. If I go back to the beginning and play it now, no audio comes through from the actual video, and the only audio I can hear is the one I selected from the music. That's basically the beginning things you need to know to work Movie Maker. Enjoy!